Welcome to Girly Clips, where we post daily videos on all things fashion and beauty. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos like this, and make sure you never miss an upload. Today we'll be showing you the best Halloween makeup ideas to inspire you for this upcoming holiday season.
If you've ever seen the movie Corpse Bride directed by Tim Burton, then you will surely recognize this Emily makeup. Emily, often referred to as the Corpse Bride, is a young woman who was murdered on her wedding day and buried in her wedding gown. Throughout the movie, we learned that, although not living, Emily is kind-hearted, gentle, and carries a deep sadness within. This is a unique costume and very recognizable to anyone who has seen the movie. There are many different routes you can take to get Cleopatra makeup. This one is more wearable and combines vivid gold pigment and graphic eyeliner designs to put a modern spin on the famous pharaoh's look. This makeup can be worn with a drapey black or white dress and gold accessories to finish the costume. This mermaid look uses a very creative hack in order to get a scale pattern. All you need to do to achieve a fish-like scale imprint on your face is put a fishnet stocking over your head and use a beauty blender to dab on a vivid color of your choice. In this case, she's doing green and blue. There are so many combinations that can use this hack, and any colored mermaid look can be achieved. You finish it off with coordinating eyeshadow and lip color to create a cohesive look. The final outcome is gorgeous. Would you try this one? Marceline the Vampire Queen is a beloved character from Adventure Time known for her cool, rebellious personality and love of music. She's half demon, half vampire, and over 1,000 years old, which explains why her coloring looks the way it does. With a little face paint and some colored contacts, this look is easily achievable if you know how to do regular day-to-day makeup. This is an interesting hack for doll makeup, and you probably already have all of the needed materials. All you have to do is put on a white clay face mask and move your face around so that the mask cracks. It gives the effect of a broken porcelain doll, especially if you pair it with a girly dress and doll-like makeup on your eyes, cheeks, and lips. Everyone loves a good Halloween skeleton, and this tutorial is a very straightforward way to create that look. You can start by adding shading on your cheekbones and between your eyebrows. Then, use a toothpick to get straight lines for the skull teeth. This one is easy to do at home with materials you already have, so you should give it a try. Another super easy tutorial would be Jigsaw, the famous antagonist from the Saw franchise. With red paint or liquid lipstick, you can make a circle on each cheek and fill them in with a spiral to create the marionette cheeks. Then you can use eyeliner to draw a line on either side of your mouth to finish the look. If you've seen the 2016 movie Suicide Squad, then you will recognize this version of the Joker. Tinfoil can be used to mimic his silver teeth. Then green eyebrows, purple eyeshadow, and additional facial decorations, like his tattoos, will start to bring the look together. No Joker look is complete without a wide grin, so she smeared her lipstick into a smile shape. One popular look for this year is deer makeup, due to the fact that it's really easy to put together a costume. You can do a pretty neutral smoky eye and heavy nose contour. Shade the bottom of your nose, then add white dots along the edges of your face to mimic a deer's spots. Another generic, easy Halloween look would be this spiderweb look. You can use toothpicks or skewers to create straight lines on your face branching out from your eye. Then, any curved surface can help you create the webs between each main line. This one's really fast and can be worn with almost any plain outfit. This cheetah look is also very easy. Similar to the deer look, you apply a neutral eye makeup and then create cheetah spots around the edges of your face and along your cheekbones. You can wear this with a cheetah print outfit or a more subtle brown look. This tutorial just helps any cute outfit look more Halloween-like. You can use a fork and some lipstick to draw cuts along your cheek. Then use some darker lipstick or fake blood to darken it up and make it look more realistic. This one is a more beginner-friendly tiger look. All you have to do is create regular winged eyeliner and then use that same eyeliner to make squiggly stripes along your forehead. It's super great because it doesn't take very long. Edward Scissorhands is another really cool look. You can start by lightening your face and creating dark eyes and lips. Here, she hollows out her cheekbones and mimics the scars he has all over his face by using a lighter concealer. Add some messy hair and scissor hands, of course. This Medusa makeup look uses the fishnet hack, again, to create some olive green scales along the perimeter of the face. Here, she uses gold eyeshadow and metallic lip gloss to tie her lips in with the rest of her look. Gold accessories and a lot of snakes finish off the costume and help ensure that people know what the costume is. Another popular Batman villain that many people enjoy dressing up as is Poison Ivy. Her backstory often involves her being poisoned, leading to her transformation into the villain. She is typically immune to poisons and has the ability to control plants, which explains the common theme of green throughout this look. Lola from Shark Tale is a fish that is interested in the main character, Oscar, who is also a fish, for his money. She is very glamorous and a bit shallow, and this look captures her essence with vibrant eye makeup and colorful hairspray to match the shades on her fins. For a more classic Halloween look, you can look like a vampire by applying pink eyeshadow around your eyes and drawing in little veins beneath them. A dark lip liner with the same eyeshadow in the middle makes everything cohesive. The last thing you need is a little drip of blood to really drive home the vampire theme. This one is a classic scarecrow. Start with some orange eyeshadow and then create patchwork shapes along your face and fill them in with different colors. Add stitches around each shape and shade everything to look more realistic. This look is based after a sugar skull. You can start with your favorite eye makeup and shade in some big skull eyes around them. Then create a jaw and a hollow nose to achieve more of a skeleton appearance. Fill in the rest of the blank spaces with swirls and gems to make it more exciting. Here are some easy graphic liner tutorials. These ones are much more casual than some of the other looks, so these would be really good to go to a casual, non-costume Halloween party, or for wearing to school on the day of Halloween before changing into your full costume that evening. This tiger Halloween makeup is gorgeous. She starts by creating a dark contour with orangey red paint and shading the bottom of her nose with brown eyeshadow to look more cat-like. Then she draws in squiggly lines around the edges of her face and big cat eyeliner. The colorful contour really makes this look pop. This is a more ethereal fairy look. She starts with a pastel eyeshadow look with blue and purple. Creating some contrast with a black winged eyeliner makes her eyes look more defined. Then she uses lash glue to cover her eyebrows with flowers. She adds a lot of blush and shimmery highlighter in addition to a neutral lip and contacts to really make sure the eyes stand out and look otherworldly. This dark fairy makeup starts with a big wing of green eyeshadow. Then you use eyeliner to create a rough butterfly shape and add a ton of gems to really make the eyes stand out. Black lip liner ties everything together. You can see with the costume, this is a really fun look. Morticia Addams from the Addams Family movies has always had a very sultry appearance. You can get her look by creating a dramatic gray and white smoky eye with big winged eyeliner and eyelashes. She has very vibrant red lips and long black hair. With a long black dress, you can bring the whole costume together. Pennywise is the clown from the It movies. She gets a clown-like appearance by creating regular base makeup and adding a lot of blush, especially in the nose area. She creates a red and silver cut crease and the iconic squiggles from the edges of the mouth up through the eyes to make that clown-like grin. In this look, she adds a lot of glitter to ensure that it's a more glamorous take on the usually horrifying clown. This last tutorial uses face paint to look like a statue. This tutorial is specifically for the angels from Doctor Who, but it can be used to look like any type of statue. She starts by painting herself white and adding a lot of darker gray contour to get that chiseled statue look. And then she uses a paintbrush to add in a lot of cracks and texture throughout her face and neck. She sprays her hair gray and puts in blank contacts. You can see that she really looks like an old statue in the end result. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe to Girly Clips if you like this video and want to see more hair and beauty content.